Okay, we're back on the Reno arch. We're going to fill it with gas. We've bombarded it. So there's the tube. It's nice and cool. I can touch it. So I'm going to turn you around to the gauge here so you can see me put the neon in it. Yeah, that's good right there. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the main vacuum off. Then I'm gonna backfill it with neon. The neon is in this valve. I'm going to watch the gauge. It's going to go up to 10 or thereabouts. This is millimeters of pressure. And I went, it's going to block 10 and a half. Okay, so now we're going to bump it. See what color it is? It's beautiful. Okay, now we're going to seal it off right here on this end. So we disconnect the power. We're going to heat this up right here. This is our final seal. We don't want this but a 1/4 inch long. There's a brass cap goes over it. Okay, and that's what it is. Okay, we're going to go to the burn-in bench. Hook up our electrodes. This is a 15,030 milliamp transformer. It's a little discolored on the far end there, but that'll burn. It'll be just as pink as this here in just a few minutes. Originally, that would be the color, more like the color it was, this purple here. And then it fades to this orange. So what we're going to do now is block it out. This is just a latex water-based paint. And you just put it where you don't want to see this when it's out on the job, out on the arch. This will be the first coat. It's not perfect, so the second one will be perfect. It doesn't take it long to dry with it burning with the unit on. Because there's a little bit of heat generated with neon. If it ever gets hot to the touch, there's something wrong with it. There'd be a crack that's let some air in or something, and air gets really hot. So now we'll do the other end. Okay, this will burn in nicely, so I'm not worried about it. Put this down, get rid of this. Okay, so just bring that right around like that. One sweep, and I'll still have to touch it up, but it's pretty good. You just use the brush and you cup it around the back. Just cup it, don't just go right up like that. Then the other side, turn this around so you can see it. We'll just cut that off right there, and then we'll go right around with it. Okay. Then I'll give it a second coat here in a minute, and it'll cover it up really nice. Okay, well, I think that's the end of the Reno arch unit. You guys have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video.